The giant octopus fishing industry in Japan is an important part of the fishing industry, closely linked to the country's rich and diverse culinary culture. Here are some highlights of the giant octopus fishing industry in Japan. Cuisine: giant octopus, called tako in Japanese, is a popular ingredient in traditional dishes such as takoyaki, octopus balls, sashimi, sushi and stews. Export: Japan not only consumes but also exports octopus to international markets, contributing significantly to the fishing industry's revenue. Traditional method: Japanese fishermen often use traps, pots, or nets to catch octopus. This is a sustainable way of fishing, avoiding damage to the marine environment. Modern technology: fishing boats today are equipped with GPS and sonar systems to track octopus schools more effectively, helping to increase fishing output. Giant octopuses, which live in deep seas, are large in size and have the ability to camouflage themselves to hunt or avoid predators. They are nutritious, high in protein, and low in fat, making them popular in a healthy diet. Competition for exploitation: overexploitation is putting pressure on octopus resources. Protection policy: the Japanese government and fisheries organizations are implementing control measures, including limiting fishing seasons and prohibited areas, to protect this marine creature. Octopus festivals and events, such as the Takoyaki Festival, attract many domestic and foreign tourists, creating opportunities to promote local culture and economy. The giant octopus fishing industry not only brings economic benefits but also demonstrates the blend of tradition and modernity in Japanese culture. The giant octopus fishing industry in Japan is constantly improving by applying scientific and technological advances. Biological research: Japanese scientists study the behavior, habitat and reproductive cycle of octopuses to propose sustainable fishing methods. Octopus farming: due to high demand and declining natural resources, the industry is investing in octopus farming technology in artificial environments, helping to reduce pressure on natural fishing. Hokkaido: this is a place with a cold marine environment, suitable for the growth of giant octopus. Kansai area: octopus from this area is famous for its soft, sweet meat, popular in takoyaki dishes. Okinawa Islands, with tropical waters. This is also a major octopus fishing location, supplying products for both domestic and export. In addition to fresh consumption, Japan has also developed many types of processed products from octopus, such as dried octopus, a traditional snack, often grilled or seasoned; frozen octopus, used for export or supplied to high-end restaurants; canned dishes, such as stewed or seasoned octopus, convenient for consumers. Sustainable trend: Japan is moving towards applying environmentally friendly exploitation methods to preserve marine ecosystems. Increasing farming: developing an octopus farming model in an artificial environment is expected to become the main trend, meeting the increasing consumption demand. Internationalizing products: building a high-quality Japanese octopus brand in the international market is an important goal, contributing to increasing the economic value of the industry. The giant octopus fishing industry in Japan not only has economic value but also demonstrates creativity and a balance between development and protection of natural resources. This shows the respect that the Japanese have for marine resources and the environment. Commercial octopus fishing in the seas of Japan is often done using traditional and modern methods. ensuring economic efficiency while still complying with regulations on protecting aquatic resources. Here are the common methods. Octopus traps are usually made of ceramic, plastic, or metal, shaped like an empty pot or box. Fishermen drop the traps on the seabed, where octopuses often hide. Octopuses are attracted to the safe shelter and enter the traps. After a few days or a certain period of time, the traps are pulled up for harvesting. Environmentally friendly, does not harm other creatures. Traps can be reused many times. Depends on choosing the right location and time. Octopus fishing, line fishing. How it works. Using a fishing rod or fishing line with bait, usually live or fake crabs, to attract octopuses. When the octopuses bite the bait, they are pulled up by hand or with the help of machinery. Advantages. Selective method, less harmful to the environment. Can catch high-quality octopuses. Disadvantages. Lower efficiency than trawling. Requires skill and experience of the fisherman. Using diving nets. How it works. Fishermen use diving equipment to find octopuses hiding in caves or coral reefs. Then use small nets or hands to catch them. Advantages. Environmentally friendly method. Does not harm the surrounding ecosystem. Ensures high-quality octopus because it is caught alive. Disadvantages. Time-consuming and labor-intensive. Only suitable for small-scale or coastal exploitation. Using modern equipment such as sonar and GPS to locate areas with a lot of octopus. Fishing vessels are equipped with automated systems to collect and preserve octopus right on board, helping to minimize quality loss. Regulations and protection. The Japanese government strictly controls octopus exploitation through seasonal limits, ensure octopus has time to reproduce and recover naturally. Prohibited fishing areas. Protect important octopus habitats. Fishing quotas. Prevent overfishing. Maintain long-term resources. These methods not only meet market demand but also preserve marine resources. In line with Japan's tradition of sustainable fishing. Season. Octopus is often exploited in the summer and autumn, when they reproduce and are more active. Habitat. Octopus often hides on the seabed near coral reefs, or muddy seabeds, where there are many food sources such as crabs and small fish. Seawater temperature. Octopus thrives in moderately warm waters, but can also adapt to cold seas such as Hokkaido. Octopus fishing vessels in Japan are increasingly equipped with advanced technology such as sonar to detect seabed animals. The use of modern refrigeration equipment on board helps to keep the quality of octopus fresh immediately after harvesting, which is especially important for export. Domestic demand for octopus is high because it is the main ingredient in many traditional dishes. Exports to major markets such as Korea, Spain, and Mediterranean countries also play an important role in shaping the catch, as the supply of wild octopus is affected by overfishing. Japan is focusing on developing octopus farming models. Simulate the natural environment to stimulate the growth and reproduction of octopus. Provide a suitable diet, mainly crabs and small fish. Challenges. Difficulty in controlling predation and competition between individuals. High costs for operating systems and food sources. The Japanese government encourages the release of juvenile octopuses back into the sea to maintain natural populations. Support scientific research to find ways to restore habitats and minimize the impact of climate change. Use artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze data on octopus populations to optimize fishing and farming operations. Underwater drones, ROVs, to monitor fishing and conservation areas. Develop deep processed products such as canned octopus, octopus snacks or ready-to-eat dishes to serve international demand. Build the Japanese octopus brand as a symbol of high quality, similar to what Japan has done with sushi or sake. Share experiences and technology with other countries to develop a sustainable global octopus fishing industry. Collaborative marine ecological research to conserve important marine species. The commercial octopus industry in Japan not only plays an important role in the economy and cuisine, but also serves as a model for balancing industrial development and protecting the natural environment. To make processing steamed octopus in a factory is an industrialized process to ensure that the product meets high-quality standards, food safety and retains its natural flavor. This process is carried out with the following standard steps. Receiving fresh or frozen octopus. Octopus is purchased from fishing vessels or aquaculture sources. Checking quality. Removing substandard individuals, damaged, inappropriate size. Measure weight, size and evaluate color, smell to ensure freshness. Soak octopus in clean water or light salt water solution to remove sand, mud and impurities. Use high-pressure water jet to thoroughly wash the tentacles and body of the octopus. Remove viscera, if necessary. Some factories require the removal of ink sac and viscera before processing. Depending on the output product standards, cut into small pieces or leave whole. If the product is steamed whole octopus, they will be kept intact. If the product is chopped octopus, parts such as tentacles and heads will be cut off according to the desired size. Classification. Products are classified based on size, weight, and processing purpose. Use an industrial steamer or steam conveyor to steam the octopus. Steaming time and temperature are often adjusted precisely. For example, temperature 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Time 10 to 20 minutes, depending on size. Objective. Ensure the octopus is cooked evenly, retaining its natural color, usually pink-red in the tentacles. Maintain the natural sweet flavor and moderate toughness. After steaming, the octopus is cooled immediately by soaking in ice water. Quickly lower the temperature to prevent bacteria from growing and maintain freshness. Cooling with cold air, modern method. Reducing the risk of contamination from water. Recheck the color, size, and appearance after cooling. Vacuum packaging. Use vacuum bags for long-term preservation. Some products are added with salt water or spices to increase the deliciousness. Product labeling. Clearly state the production date, expiry date, origin and instructions for use. Products are stored at -18 degrees Celsius for export or long-distance transportation. Refrigeration. If consumed domestically, steamed octopus is usually stored at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Products are tested according to food safety criteria. Microbiological content, cleanliness, ripeness, and color. If meeting the standards, the product will be shipped for consumption or export. Distributed to supermarkets, restaurants or food processing facilities. Export. Products are packaged and shipped in refrigerated containers to international markets such as Korea, the US, and Europe. Benefits of the industrialization process. Maintain consistent quality and high food safety. Optimizing production time and costs. increasing economic value and meeting the increasing demands of the market. The processing process in the factory environment is strictly controlled from raw materials to finished products. Complying with international standards such as HACCP, hazard analysis and critical control points. The product does not contain toxic preservatives. Retains its freshness and natural flavor thanks to fast and modern processing techniques. The industrialized process allows mass production, reducing labor costs and processing time. The product can be preserved for a long time, meeting the consumption needs all year round, even outside the fishing season. Steamed octopus can be used directly or as an ingredient for many different dishes, such as salad, sushi, takoyaki, or grilled seafood dishes. Ready-made product lines such as seasoned steamed octopus, sliced steamed octopus, or canned help increase convenience for consumers. Frozen or vacuum-packed steamed octopus products meet the standards of strict markets such as the EU, the US, and domestic Japan. Professional processing and preservation processes ensure that the product maintains its best quality during long-distance transportation. Using automatic machines in stages such as cleaning, steaming, and packaging to increase productivity and minimize errors. Super fast freezing technology, preserving the meat structure and flavor of octopus after steaming. Using biodegradable or recycled packaging to minimize environmental impact. Factories are looking for ways to reduce water and energy consumption during production. Promoting Japanese steamed octopus as a premium product, associated with safety and high quality. Expanding new markets in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and South America to increase sales. Steamed octopus products are packaged in small, easy-to-use packages, suitable for busy people. Combination product lines. For example, steamed octopus with spices or instant sauce. The process of processing steamed octopus in the factory is not only an important step in the food supply chain but also a decisive factor in the quality and value of the product on the market. With investment in modern technology, environmental protection and sustainable development strategies, Japan's steamed octopus processing industry not only serves the domestic market but also occupies an important position in the international market. Decline in natural octopus populations. Climate change changes seawater temperature, affecting the habitat and growth cycle of octopus. Overexploitation. Raw material sources are at risk of depletion if fishing is not well controlled. Energy and water. The stages of steaming, cooling and preserving require large energy consumption, increasing factory operating costs. Modern technology. Investing in machinery and automated production lines requires large capital, creating financial pressure for small businesses. Meeting international standards, HACCP, FDA, ISO 22000, requires extremely strict production processes, requiring highly skilled human resources and modern quality control systems. Changing trade policies or economic fluctuations in export markets can affect revenue.